Hi, so in this video I will give you 3 ways to apply any paragraph or character style in Adobe InDesign, and in last one I will also show you how we can create a customized and specific shortcut keys for any of the particular paragraph or character style, which can be very useful for doing fast work in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started and learn. So number one, for applying any paragraph or character style, just you have to keep clicked on that particular paragraph in which that style you want to apply. Okay, and after just you have to go on paragraph style panel. If you do not find this paragraph style panel here, so you can use shortcut key F11 for paragraph panel. Apart from this, you can also find this option on Windows, and you can see here style and paragraph and character style. Okay, so hope you got understand how we can find. Okay, so to apply any style, just you have to keep clicked on the paragraph and go and find the style with their name, what you have created and what you want to apply on that paragraph, and you have just click on that. Once you will click, you can see all the defined properties in that particular style get applied, something like this. Okay, so I have just created a one new style which with name of body text with top cap. So I want to apply this style on this paragraph, so simply I will click on this. Now you can see this style has been applied. Okay, number two, we can also apply the paragraph style or character style just clicking Control Enter. Once we'll click Control Enter, so we can find the style with their name and directly apply. So for instance, I want to apply style here, so simply I will click Control Enter and find the particular style which you want to apply. For instance, abstract or body, but to make sure you should remind the particular style name by whom you can easily search and apply. So body text with a drop cap, I have given this name, so simply I will find with the spelling of that particular style name and click OK. Once we'll click, you can see style has been applied. Okay, and this is exactly option you can find from here, Control Enter, which I have explained you, that is shortcut key of quick apply. Okay, that you can also find. And next and last way to apply any particular style, you can define the customized or specific shortcut key for any type of paragraph or character style. So let's see how we can define shortcut key. Okay, just I am doing Control Z and I want to define a shortcut key for this style. So simply I will right click and click on edit, and once you will click on edit, on general option you can see here shortcut. Okay, so make sure you have to create shortcut key which should not be created for any other styles or any specific styles, so you have to take care about it. For instance, I am just creating a shortcut Control 2, so you can see here currently assigned to 200% size, so this is already assigned for something else in Adobe InDesign. So you should make sure whatever is shortcut key you create should be absolutely unique. There should not be assigned for any particular task in Adobe InDesign. Okay, so I will delete this and just I am using Control 5, which is unassigned. So number 5 I have used, so this is unassigned for now. So just I will click on OK. Now you can see here this shortcut key has been defined for this paragraph style. Okay, so now you have to just click on the paragraph on which you want to apply that style and finding the style in the panel or searching by pressing Control Enter. You can directly use Control plus 5 to apply that style, and you can see here the style has been applied. Okay, so this is very interesting and this is so much useful when you will work on multi-pages and huge documents, so it can be very useful to make work faster. Okay, similarly you can also do with character style. For instance, I want to apply character style on this word, so simply I will click on character style and you can find the character style which you want to apply, and you can see the style has been applied. Okay, so hope you come to know applying style in Adobe InDesign. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.